importance of English language in today's time, in today's society. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Well guys, I will not mince my words, I will just speak the truth as it is. So guys, listen to me very carefully because this video is going to be very, very important. Well guys, there are many people in our society, in our Assam, who are educated, they have a degree, but they cannot speak English. They have, they do not have fluency over the English language. So it's a very unfortunate thing, because now at a time when the English language is acknowledged worldwide as a global language, now at a time when there are still some people in our Assam who do not feel the need to learn this language, and they think that it is okay to not know English. For them it is absolutely okay, they do not know English. But guys, you all know that in today's society, in today's time, it is the most important thing to learn the English language. Because wherever you go, you will have to speak only one language, that is English. So it is everything nowadays. Everything is English centric. Without English you cannot survive anywhere in this world. So English is the most important language in today's time. So guys, I want to request all those educated Assamese people who have a degree but they do not know English. I want to request them, please study the grammar and study the English language, please. Because without learning the English language, your degree certificate means nothing. It is absolutely worthless. You can throw the degree certificate in the dustbin, or you can flush it down the toilet, because it has no fucking value. All right, so learn the English language. Without this English language, your education, your degree is worthless. I may be sounding little harsh, I may be sounding little tough, but this is the reality. People have to understand this. There are some people, they just think that having a degree is enough. Having a good education is enough. For them, English language does not mean much for them. So it is not the case in reality. It does not matter if you have a MSc degree, doctorate degree, BSc degree. It does not matter. The only thing that matters in today's society is that you have to be fluent in English. All right. তো ইমাংশু তুমি কি ক'বা আজিৰ সোসাইটিত আজিৰ সময়ত ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ কিমান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট? আৰু কিছুমান মানুহ আছে যি পঢ়া শুনা ডিগ্ৰী আছে কিন্তু ইংলিছটো নাজানে, সেনে তোমাৰ মতে এইটো কিমান ডাঙৰ লছ খান হৈছে এনেকুৱা ক?
তাতে তো বহুত ভুল কৰ্ম হৈ আছে। তাতে ইংলিছ জানিব লাগে, আৰু পঢ়া শুনা থাকিলে ইংলিছ কেনেকৈ নাজানে? ইংলিছ জানিব লাগে আৰু মোৰ কথা মতে।
নাজানে নাই, কিন্তু শিকপা যত্ন কৰিব লাগে। কিন্তু কিছুমান মানুহ আছে, এনেকুৱা মানুহ আছে, ডিগ্ৰী আছে জানো সিহঁতৰ তাত, কিন্তু সিহঁতে শিকপা যত্ন নকৰে। They do not even make the effort to learn the English language.
শিক্ষা যত্ন নকৰে মানে তাহাঁতৰ প্ৰয়োজনো নাই ইংলিছ শিক্ষাৰ কাৰণে।
কি প্ৰয়োজন হ'ব? In today's time, it is the most important thing.
তোমাৰ কাৰণে
What are you talking about, man?
সেইটো তুমি ক'লি নহ'ব। এতিয়া তোমাৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট, বেলেগৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নহয়।
কিয় ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট নহ'ব?
ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট যাৰ কাৰণে আছে সি শিক্ষা সদায় চেষ্টা কৰিব। ইংলিছ শিকিও আছে বৰ্তমানক লাগি। সেইটো কথা তুমি নকবা, এইটো ভুল ডিচিশ্যন। সেইটো কথা মই নকওঁ শুনা কথাটো।
Guys, think about it, and I want your comment about it. So please comment down what do you think about it, and whether you are agree with me or not, please comment down in the comment box.